respectable brothers, sisters of America, rather, I would call it brethren of America. I am sending my video across to you with the request that I am a die-hard fan of President Donald Trump, not because that he is one of the strongest president of the world, one of the mightiest nation of the world, United States of America. After evaluating President Trump, I thought that I should send across my views to my American brothers and sisters. Why I am supporting President Donald Trump? For the stability of the world, we need a strong president who can control the decreasing economies of the world across the globe. President Trump is a person who is a dynamic person who can accept any challenge, who can do anything for the people of his country, not only the people of America, but the people sitting across in the other parts of the world, especially in India. I support President Trump because we want a stable India, a peaceful nation in Asian region. I can say, but still I know a lot about President Donald Trump's policy. Better law and order. If he becomes the president again in November, there will be a better law and order situation in America. He has the IQ level of 140, which is above the average of American people. An average US president hold 115 points, whereas President Trump holds 140 points. He is a populist. He would stand by the marginalized people, poor people, the middle class people, especially the jobless. So you also support President Trump. His biggest mission is erection of wall on Mexican border, from where illegal immigration is entering America. Apart from it, better policies for industrialization. There will be more budget for the industries. Bring emerging technologies that should improve the quality of life and produce high paying jobs for an average American. Bold decision for industries. Better ecosystem for America. American leadership with bold ideas for needy people. Research and R&D. His special emphasis will be better R&D investments, preparing the workforce for the jobs of tomorrow through expanding apprenticeship to gain more education and better skills for new generations. Industries of the future. He plans to introduce better industries for the future generations. 4 key technologies he wants to bring forward to fuel American prosperity. Better security for the local people. Artificial intelligence, including intelligence with human intelligence, transforming American lives and American business, improving now he diagnosed better. He has diagnosed all problems in such a way so that there is a better tomorrow for average American person. Improve, manage our finances in such a way that people enjoy their holidays, their travels. President Trump's priorities would be strategic planning, national security, safety, NSS. It will be given enough budget, recognize the irreparable value of workers, National Council for American Workers, to address their issues, grievances, advanced manufacturing. He wants to bring in the technology where advanced manufacturing can be introduced. New manufacturing technology for more competitiveness. It will improve economy, better productivity, superior products for forming entirely new industries. It will expand manufacturing, more employment, will create better defense industrial. He would introduce factories for defense producing material, better defense industrial base, better semiconductors. If the semiconductors are of a good quality, better technology, it will improve smartphones, GPS system, better navigation. It will improve computer working. It will bring down loads on computer workloads and solve much more challenges. Better policies for economic development, better network infrastructure, better streamlining of permit process for communication, investing in future, visionary investment. American dominates in industries in future, must infrastructure, better R&D in every research institution, colleges, universities, research institutions covering science and technology. President's bold vision, targeted investment. It will give prosperity to the country. So I am again repeating that if President Trump comes to power, he will completely transform the economy of America. He will transform the day-to-day life and quality of people. Of course, there is a coronavirus that here also diplomatically the whole world is today standing with America. Whole of Europe, Australian Peninsula, New Zealand, the whole of Asia is behind President Donald Trump because he has a great vision. He has the ability to scold anybody, even the Korea, which is creating Northern Korea, which is creating problems for America, is under hold. He has challenged the brutalities of China, because of whom the whole world is suffering on account of coronavirus. Coronavirus has shattered not only America but the economies across the whole globe. It is America who is taking initiative to challenge the gimmicks of Chinese people, the Chinese president. I would again request you to vote and support President Trump. He is a dynamic leader. He is a person with vision. He is a person with wit and the energy he holds. He will do wonders. If he is elected again in the November election, I must confess he will do wonders for the American people and the American society. Thank you very much. I love Americans. My regards to the entire American fraternity. I may not be in a very good I may not be speaking in the accent you people expect from the Asian. I have tried my best to convey my message. If at all you feel that you have had some difficulties in understanding my language, please excuse me. I thank you again. I thank you again for hearing my recording. Thank you very much. Thank you, Americans.